Esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Gaddam Jalandhar Reddy Sir Garu, the Station Fire Officer of Tandur, and the distinguished District General Secretary, Mr. Ablas Reddy Garu, and our guiding force, the visionary management of Akshara School, dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and my dear energetic champions of Akshara students. Once again, very energetic good morning to everyone. Once again, energetic good morning to everyone. Whatever the points that which I want to deliver on this occasion, already many of the dignitaries on the stage has already delivered the points. Even I have been noticed that the head girl of this institution, even the sports secretary, she has been given a wonderful message, and the same points whatever they have been delivered and whatever the guests which have been delivered the points, once I want to remind you on this occasion. It is truly an honor and privilege for me to stand before you on this grand occasion of intramural sports meet at Akshara School. Today, it is not just an opening ceremony. Today is not just an opening ceremony, but it is the battle of mindset, muscles and the mental strength here. When I look at this ground, I don't just see the tracks and I don't just see the courts here, but I see the dreams waiting to run. I see the leaders learning the teamwork, and I see the students discovering their inner strength here. My dear students, this is one of the institutions where it is giving an all-round development for each and every child those who have been presented over here. As Ablas Reddy sir has been reminded us, thus this institution has been excelled in the science fair, not in the district, not in the state, and even in the national level we have been participated, and this is one and only one institution entire in the Vikarabad district where it has been participated in the national level and excelled with the first prize there. And moreover, we have been seen recently in the sports also. This is one of the institutions in the Tandur town where it has been participated in the national level in under 14 category in Kho. The Sri Lakshmi Power institution was participating. Still now she is in Rajasthan. And apart from the education side and apart from the sports side, if we come across, we have been giving an holistic education for each and everyone those who have been presented here. My dear students, let me remind you one thing, that this is one of the institution, or this is one of the ground where it is a launching pad for the future champions. I mean to say you that the champions are not created. Yes, my dear students, the champions are not created when the whistles blows in the ground, but the champions are created when no one is watching here. And today you may run on this ground in this intramural sports meet, but remember one thing, children, one or the other day you have to run this nation also. And today in this intramural sports meet, many of you may get the medals here. And I want to remind you one thing, that whatever the medals which you are going to get here, the medals will shine for a moment. Yes, I repeat it once again to you. The medals will shine for a moment, but your character should shine for a lifetime in this intramural sports meet. And don't ask how strong is your opponent in this intramural sports meet, but ask how strong you are going to become in this sports meet here. And my dear students, the books which you are going to read in our institution, it may build your knowledge. The teachers may shape your character, but the sports will reveal who truly you are. Because whenever you win in this sports meet, the sports will teach us you the humility. When you lose here, the sports will teach us the courage. And whenever you fall down, the sports will teach us how to rise once again. Do you know, children, these things cannot be taught in your classrooms here. Yes, children, these things cannot be taught in your classrooms. Because of that, this intramural sports meets matter here. That's why the school invests on the sports, or the building the citizen stronger, not just the topper of this institution. And my dear students, let me say you one important thing to you. Not every student, those who have been sitting here, yes, not every student here will becomes the national athletics like Sri Lakshmi. I repeat it once again. Not every student, those who have been sitting here, will becomes the national athletics like Sri Lakshmi. And even I want to say you that not every student who is presented over here will lift the medals in this intramural sports meet. But one thing I can say you, every student who is presented over here, or every student who is participating in this intramural sports meet, definitely you are going to carry the values into your life, like discipline, focus, teamwork, management, and even the mental strength also. And do you know, children, these are the real gold medals of your life. And I would like to take this opportunity even to express my gratitude to the visionary management of Akshara School, because conducting the sports meet in an institution is not an easy thing. It requires the patience, it requires the planning, and it requires the passion and deep commitment towards the holistic education. And my dear management members, you are not just running the institution here. Yes, you are not just running the institution here, but you are shaping the future generations for this nation. And let me take this opportunity even to speak a few words in Telugu. ఈ మైదానం సాక్షిగా, ఈ ఆకాశం సాక్షిగా, I repeat it once again, my dear students. ఈ మైదానం సాక్షిగా, ఈ ఆకాశం సాక్షిగా, ఇక్కడ కొట్టుకుంటున్నటువంటి వందలాది గుండె చప్పుడు సాక్షిగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రాంగణంలో జరిగేది ఆట పోటీలు కాదు. ఎస్, ఐ రిపీట్ వన్స్ అగైన్. ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రాంగణంలో జరిగేది ఆట పోటీలు కాదు, ఇది అక్షర సైన్యం. తన సత్తా ఏంటిదో ప్రపంచానికి చాటి చెప్పే మహా సంగ్రామం. ఈరోజు ఈ మైదానంలో మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తూ ఉంటే, మీ ఉత్సాహం చూస్తూ ఉంటే, మీ కళ్ళల్లో కనిపిస్తున్నటువంటి ఆ మెరుపు చూస్తూ ఉంటే నాకు ఒకటే అనిపిస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది కేవలం విద్యార్థులు మాత్రమే కాదు. ఎస్, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది కేవలం విద్యార్థులు కాదు, రేపటి చరిత్రని తిరిగి రాయబోయే మహాయోధులు అని గుర్తు చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను విద్యార్థులారా. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, చిన్నారులారా, ఈరోజు ఈ మైదానంలో ఆట మొదలవుతుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? అవునా కాదా? ఈరోజు ఈ మైదానంలో ఆట మొదలవుతుంది, అవునా కాదా? కాదు కాదు చిన్నారులారా, ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం మొదలవుతుంది. అక్షర స్కూల్ ఇంట్రామారల్ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్ అంటే కేవలం మొదటి స్థానం కాదు, ఇక్కడ ధైర్యంతో ఆడాలి. ఓడిపోతే ఏముంది, ఈ మైదానం నవ్వదు, నీకు మరో అవకాశం ఇస్తుంది. గెలిచినా ఓడినా, ఎస్ గెలిచినా ఓడినా, నీ శ్రమ ముఖ్యం, నీ క్రమశిక్షణే ముఖ్యం. ఒక్కసారి నీ షూస్ పై ఉన్న దుమ్ముని ఒక్కసారి గ్రహించండి విద్యార్థులారా. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, మీ షూస్ పై దుమ్ము ఉందా లేదా? ఉందా? ఎస్, మీ షూస్ పై ఉన్న దుమ్ము మీ శ్రమకు గుర్తు. మీ ముఖంపై ఉన్న చెమట మీ క్రమశిక్షణకు సాక్ష్యం. కాబట్టి విద్యార్థులారా, ఈరోజు పరిగెత్తండి, మెడల్స్ కోసం కాదు. ఈరోజు పరిగెత్తండి, మెడల్స్ కోసం కాదు, నీలో ఉన్న శక్తిని బయటికి తీసుకురావడానికి, నీలో ఉన్న శక్తిని తెలుసుకోవడానికి. ఈరోజు ఈ మైదానంలో ఎస్, ఈ రోజు ఈ మైదానంలో నువ్వు నేర్చుకున్న పాఠం నీ జీవితంలో బలమవుతుంది. ఈ రోజు ఈ మైదానంలో నువ్వు గెలిస్తే నీ అక్షర పాఠశాల గెలిచినట్లే. నువ్వు నీ జీవితంలో గెలిస్తే ఈ దేశం గెలిచినట్లే. కాబట్టి విద్యార్థులారా, ఆగొద్దు, వెనకకి చూడొద్దు, పరిగెత్తండి పరిగెత్తండి. మీ భయాన్ని దాటేంత వరకు, మీ సందేహాన్ని నివృత్తం చేసే వరకు, మీ కలల్ని చేరేంత వరకు పరిగెత్తండి పరిగెత్తండి చిన్నారులారా. Yes, let me take this opportunity to conclude my speech. Finally, I want to say a few words to my children and I will complete my speech. As today, the intramural sports meet inauguration ceremony has been started, and I hope that many of you will participate in this sports meet. And today you may run on this ground, and today you may play on this ground, and today you will give the competitions to your opponent teams. But remember one thing, my dear students, run on this ground, but don't defeat it. I repeat once again, run, but not to defeat others. Play, not to insult others. Compete, not for fear, but for excellence. Let everyone says that I gave my best. If you have done that one, you are already a champions. So I wish all the best for each and every students for this intramural sports meets. Let us show that you once again come up with a shine like a diamond in the society, and let us once again prove that our Akshara students are not only bright in the education but also creates the wonders in the sports meet. And let us show that this is one of the topmost institution in the Tandur town with an holistic education, with an all-round development which is going to give you. And I wish all the best for each and everyone in this sports meet. Thank you and Jai Hind.